What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. In today's video we're going to be replacing the screen on a Moto, and I'll tell you which model that is. Moto G 5G 2022. Alright, so I've already taken off this this part right here. I've already taken off the back, okay? So you don't need to heat it up or nothing. Just go like this. Alright, get in there from here like this. And then once you do, you stick your pick and you go little by little, it starts clipping off. Clipping off, clipping off. Be careful with this button here, okay? Because it's I think it's a fingerprint sensor, but it's also a button. Make sure you don't tear it. And it was a little bit of glue right around this area, so you could heat this up just a little bit from this side, but you can tell, look, see, there's glue, so careful with that. And now I started disassembling it, taking the screws off. I started here and here. Now we're gonna go up here. In this case I got the screen without the frame. It's just the screen by itself. Oh, there's a screw here. So there's that. Unplug the battery. Here's the battery, okay? And the connector for the screen is right in here. Let's go ahead and unplug that. It has some little film. Okay, so there's that, and I think we're pretty much, we just need to remove this battery. So let's go ahead and grab, I got some new little bottles. These are pretty cool. I don't know if I need to cover them all the time. I don't think I want to. So we're gonna add some alcohol right around here. Okay. I use the back side of this tool here. I'm gonna heat it up. Let's see if that helped a little bit. Some more alcohol in there. You want to be careful with that. There's the cord that goes there, okay? I think it's that one. You want to be very careful not to tear that. Okay, put a little bit more alcohol right in there. And there you go. It's out. Okay. There's the battery. Set it to the side. And we're going to start removing this, which is the screen. See that? So we don't need to take this bottom part off. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take this off just so it can let me work a little bit better, okay? Because now what I have to do is, let me see what's here. That's fine. I need to heat up the front part so I can remove the screen. And I'm going to heat it up really good. Actually, but first I'm going to test this screen. I guess I could have tested it before I took the battery off. Okay, so that's that. Battery. Let's plug the battery in real quick. There it is. Now let's turn this sucker on. I'm sure it's this button here. There it is. You guys can see the Motorola thing came on.
Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm just going to unplug the battery. There it is. Battery's off. Light back on. Unplug this screen. And now we know that this screen works and it's not defective, just in case. Because his phone currently works, like he can use it, but I don't want to give him a phone that doesn't work, you know, in case our screen was defective. So let's heat the sucker up real good. So that one's really nice and hot, guys. So let's, yeah, I'm gonna put on my glove for this one. It's too hot. There it is. Old screen, nothing to transfer over. That's good. Trash it. Yeah, I mean, it didn't break that much, so we might be able to use it in case something happens to his other screen, to the new one. Gonna check, make sure that it's gonna fit nicely in this frame. Okay, there it is. There it is. Looking good. Looking good, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put glue on it all around. Because I don't want this thing to fly out. I'm going to put some around the edges here. And I don't care if it smudges out, I'm just going to clean it. Okay. Perfect. Grab this thing here. Stick it in there. Bam. Grab a paper towel. I'm going to take this off. Press it down. Clean around the edges with this alcohol. Okay, now I'll get a microfiber cloth that won't leave any white debris around. Got it. I'll clean it out one more time. And there it is. I'm going to clamp it down just for a few minutes. Now just be careful not to get these gold pins. I mean, you should be okay, but just clamp it down a little bit. There's that. Do one at the top up here. Maybe one at the bottom. I'm gonna let it sit there for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and just remove these clamps. There's that. Looking good all around. Okay. Still enough adhesive here for the battery. I always plug in the battery first just to make sure I set the battery correctly. There's that. Okay, battery's plugged in. Plug this sucker in. I mean, you can unplug the battery just to be safe, okay? And then plug this in later. I mean, plug it in after this, but I'm just going to leave it plugged in right there. Here's that. Okay. Start putting this stuff back. There's one little thing here that didn't clip in. I'll flick it in with my blade. There it is. The SIM card goes after this. Make sure this button is lined up properly. Okay, SIM tray, bam, give it a little clean. If you want to do a little special detail, you can. Detail car wash. A lot of times it's just their frame that's already all beat up too, so don't let that fool you. But here it is. Let's turn it on. And there it is. The main part is when the main part is when you actually put the screen back on the frame, because you need to make sure it's nice and flush, all right? Pretty cool phone. Notification after notification. Where are you? Where are you? Anyways, but there you go, guys. If you guys want to learn how to open your own cell phone repair shop, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get that 5-day curriculum. You won't regret it. You get access to our Facebook group. And now it's like, I can't even express how good that group is. There's just too many experts in there. So you guys will get private access to that. 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. We also have the new micro-soldering courses coming up pretty soon. Sean Tyson, our team member, is going to be the one that's going to be going live on YouTube and showing his skills, teaching you all how to micro-solder. And if you want the training, you're going to be seeing me and him a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.